Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fan a turkey tail. First, carefully remove the tail fan from the turkey, ensuring you keep the skin and meat at the base of the feathers intact. Next, trim away any excess meat and fat from the base of the tail. This step is crucial for proper drying and preservation. Then, gently spread the tail feathers into a full, natural fan shape, preparing it for the next steps in the preservation process. Now, let's talk about preservation. Borax is an excellent choice for drying and preserving your turkey tail. Apply a generous layer of borax to the fleshy base of the tail, making sure all exposed skin and meat are thoroughly covered. This white powder works by drawing out moisture, effectively drying the tissue and preventing decay. It also acts as a deterrent against insects, ensuring your fan remains pristine for years to come. Once borax is applied, it's time to dry and shape your fan. Secure the fan tail to a flat piece of cardboard or wood using clamps or heavy objects. This helps maintain the desired fan shape as it dries. Ensure the feathers are evenly spread and held firmly in place. Allow the tail to dry completely in a cool, dry place for at least 2 to 3 weeks, or even up to 4 weeks for larger tails. After the drying period, carefully remove the clamps and brush off any excess borax. Your turkey tail should now be rigid and fully preserved. For a polished look, you might consider adding a decorative backing, such as a wooden plaque, to mount your fan. This not only enhances its appearance, but also provides a sturdy display. Your beautifully preserved turkey tail is now ready to be admired and showcased.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.